Hi again, thank you for watching. It's Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another Mint Mongoose unboxing. Sorry, I've been out of pocket for a little while. I was over visiting my husband in Canada. Yes, if you saw a few years ago, I think it was in 2020 or 2019 before the pandemic, I did a fiance tag with my then fiance, and he lives in Canada, in Ontario, and I was out visiting him. And so yes, we are married. We are long distance married. I am way overdue for an update on that. So sorry about that, guys. But here is my Mint Mongoose package. It is a little late because of that very reason, that I was out in Canada and I couldn't, or I didn't film out there. But we're going to get into this really quickly. Once again, Mint Mongoose monthly jewelry club, started by a mompreneur. You know, we love our mompreneurs around here. For a new subscriber, there is a cool deal that they're doing where you can get your first box free with $5 shipping and handling if it's in the United States, $10 if it's international. That's a great deal. Definitely find the information below so you can get that started. Your first box ships within 48 hours. You can choose from silver, gold, or rose gold. And you do get a free gift every 3 months, like a piece of makeup or socks or something like fun, every 3 months that you keep your subscription. Go ahead and check out that website below to find out. Get your free first box. We're gonna open this up. Here is the little card for this. Of course, there's a little candy. Of course, they always have a little candy in there. And here is the bundle. I love their colors. This seafoam kind of green. Let me get it open. Oh, these are really pretty. That's always kind of my... It's a matching pair of earrings and a necklace. These are giving off beachy vibes for sure. This would be great with, like, oh, that's the backing to the earring that fell again. All right. These would give out, like, be perfect with a flowy white linen sundress, or, oh my gosh, there's so many different ways you could wear these, to the beach, to the pool, to like a party. I am putting these on right now. Throwing these in here. These are cute. They don't quite match with what I'm wearing today, but I definitely could find things that they could match. And here is the necklace. I'm gonna open that up. And here is the necklace. Isn't that a darling set? That is absolutely gorgeous. Mint Mongoose has not failed these 3 months that I've tried them. Every single month has been gorgeous. This one and my first month were my two favorites. I still wear those pieces from the first month, and I will be wearing this one too. So I'm going to sit up a little bit so you can see that, but it falls right here. Isn't that beautiful? I love this set. Thank you so much, Mint Mongoose, for sending these to me and allowing me to experience the wonders of your jewelry. It definitely is quite a find. Go ahead and find all that information below. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so, okay? And I will be talking to you soon. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.